In this short video, we'll look at how an IoT system can be used to monitor the status of a fleet of aircraft. In this example, we have a fleet of unmanned aerial vehicles that are operating around an airfield. The aircraft is capable of streaming health data in real time to our monitoring system, which has anomaly detection and can detect when an aircraft experiences a problem. Once an issue is detected, based on the health information, we can direct maintenance to carry out the relevant maintenance procedure. In the next example, you're going to see the use of augmented reality guiding a repair technician through his procedure, which in this case will be the replacement of a cable on the aircraft landing gear.
Aircraft sensors on.
Sensor visibility on.
Aircraft procedure next.
Procedure to remove landing gear wire harness.
Aircraft procedure next.
Please simulate fault by pressing Sigma tile push button. The fault initiates a service work order, which is the basis for this repair.
Aircraft alert on.
Simulating faulty landing gear wiring.
Aircraft procedure next.
Confirm that aircraft is supported by jacks, the landing gear is not in contact with the ground, and the landing gear is locked.
Aircraft procedure next.
It is hazardous to proceed. Please simulate weight on wheels event by pressing Sigma tile push button.
Aircraft LOW off.
Setting LOW off.
Aircraft procedure next.
Disconnect the harness end that is attached to the right landing gear by rotating the plug ring counterclockwise.
Aircraft procedure next.
Repeat disconnect for harness end connected to landing gear control unit.
Aircraft procedure next.
Repeat disconnect for harness end connected to the 25 amp enclosure.
Aircraft procedure next.
Repeat disconnect for harness end connected to the upper right rear landing gear retract mount.
Aircraft procedure next.
Release wire harness assembly from clip locks one at a time, while maintaining a secure handhold on the wire harness.
Aircraft procedure next.
Place removed wire harness assembly in safe area. Visually inspect clip locks for damage and replace as necessary.
Aircraft procedure next.
Remove new harness from packaging and install with additional clip. Connect harness ends using torque wrench to 10 Nm torque.
Aircraft procedure next.
Procedure to remove landing gear wire harness completed June 2, 2017.
Once the maintenance is complete, the technician fills out a fracas form, failure reporting and corrective action. This is necessary to transmit the particulars of the failure to the engineering organization responsible for the upkeep of the weapon system. Any design improvements or modifications necessary as a result of certain failures can be quickly passed back to the engineering authority so that changes can be made in order to maximize the availability of the weapon system. This very short example shows how new Internet of Things technologies can be applied to enhance support for the Department of Defense supply chain operations reference model.